once again, the cows are right here. One of them's just only nearly as white. It's Drumbane, the crossing. Here, Drumbane Road level crossing in Hi, guys. Warbling alarm, I need it. That alarm's not dodgy now.
It's not?
No, that alarm's dodgy now because of the fact that it's skipping. Going to it now, it sounds really bad. Yep, I knew that alarm was gonna get dodgy at some point. Oh, it sounds really bad.
Where is it?
It sounds faster going to it now. It sounds really bad. Look.
Swinging that?
Yeah, so here's the thing. So we can say that's finally got worse.
Yeah.
Because maybe it's because of the fact that it was skipping so much.
It worse.
Yeah. The alarm on the other side's normal. Thank God for that. I know. That alarm's really bad now. So we can tell that alarm has finally got worse. Yo. So we can tell that alarm has finally got worse.
Yeah, definitely.
Because of the fact that it was skipping so much. I knew that alarm was going to get dodgy at some point. Look at it, sounds really bad. It sounds faster now since it was skipping so much. So I'm not able to post that onto YouTube yet since my channel is removed. So hopefully when I get my channel back, hopefully now I can get that onto YouTube. Here it is. Let's see what it's like on double stay. Hopefully one day we'll see when it's double stay. So, chat. Razor 2-1 to put it on.